Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing some Poshmark photo tips that help to increase sales of retailers. It doesn't matter whether you are an experienced Poshmark retailer or a beginner, selling products is what you need, and knowing the right secrets to sell on Poshmark. This video will be beneficial. So let's start. To photograph shoes for Poshmark, try using a solid white background that doesn't take away the limelight from the product. If you don't know how to change background color, then this might help to do it by yourself. If you use a different background, that might distract your customer and steal the show. You can photograph clothes for e-commerce stores couple of ways, but when you start thinking about how to photograph jeans for Poshmark, the best way is flat lay clothing photography. Bad lighting gives you bad photos, and bad photos perform badly. It's a simple equation that most retailers don't think of. To get balanced photography lighting, you should use 3 major lights around your product: professional cameras or smartphones. Whatever you use, only the best lighting can make your product photos amazing. To sell clothes on not only Poshmark but on any online platform, product photos are the ultimate weapon for the retailers. Create a great product listing. There is no other alternative than uploading great photos. Pricing is a big deciding factor in generating sales. As a beginner, you can keep your pricing flexible. Careful with the packaging. Sometimes keeping your product package in one piece and delivering it to the consumer becomes challenging. Surprise gift. It's not a tip, by the way. It's a way of expressing your gratitude towards your customers. Thanks for watching.